We'll talk about SAP today. What kind of positions are there in SAP? What are the salary ranges for each position? In which companies these positions are available? Can a functional guy can join in SAP? At what salary he can join? Let us talk about more about SAP positions and their salaries and the entry requirements. Hi, this is MVK, M Vijay Kumar. Today we are going to talk about SAP careers. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe this now and click that bell icon. I'll wait for a few seconds and please share this particular video to all the needy people. With respect to my experience, I have 25 years of experience in IT, currently working in Dubai, heading Middle East and North Africa for a big four company. Looking forward for more videos, subscribe this channel. Now let us get into the topic. In SAP, if you see like in terms of the designations or the roles or the positions, you have various. But let me explain you what kind of positions commonly used in lot of companies. In SAP, typically a person is called consultant. The initial position which will start if you have a little bit of experience, when I say little bit, probably a year or a couple of years of experience, you will be joining as an assistant consultant. Then you have the next position which is called consultant. Wait a minute, assistant consultant, what is the salary, right? Okay, the assistant consultant salaries will range somewhere about 2.5 to 3.5. That depends upon the organization. If you have SAP certification, you done some dummy projects. When I say dummy or live projects, then you have an opportunity to join as an assistant consultant. Please check sap.com for the details. Alright. Now once you're done with assistant consultant, the next position is consultant. The consultant is something where it's a good position in terms of package, in terms of experience. You need to have it. If you have around 4 to 5 years of SAP experience and done multiple implementations, then you have opportunity to get as a consultant. Some companies don't consider your implementations experience, but they will check your number of years of experience. If you have 4 to 5 years, you can simply join as a consultant. This consultant position will have a range of 6 to 7 lakhs to somewhere 15 lakhs salary also. Some consultants even get 18 lakhs also. That depends upon the organization, that depends upon your previous experience. Then after the consultant, the next one is the senior consultant. Senior consultant, now you are in a position to handle a set of team members. In some organizations, senior consultant is also called as team lead. Okay. So the senior consultant, if you want to become senior consultant, you should have minimum 8 years and above. Some organizations even give an entry barrier, like where you can't take the senior consultant position until otherwise you have 11-12 years of experience. That depends upon the organization parity and their current structure in terms of the resources. Senior consultant will get somewhere 12 lakhs and above, and it will go till 40 lakhs as well. If you are working in niche areas like BPC, like GRC, so these areas you will get a very good amount of salary. After senior consultant, the next role will be lead consultant or a manager position. This role requires a proper managing capabilities. You got to have some kind of a team lead activities done earlier, then only you can be a manager. Otherwise you will end up having a lead consultant only for the designation sake. You will be managing an implementation project. You will be managing a support project at this particular grade. Your salary can be in between 25 lakhs to somewhere 60, 70 lakhs also, depends upon the organization. After the manager role, next role is delivery manager. The delivery manager is something which you are managing a set of managers and you have a good amount of accounts under you. Some organizations will give a designation called principal consultant as well when you are a delivery manager. That depends upon the organization. So if you are a principal consultant or a delivery manager, your salary will be somewhere 25 lakhs to 70 lakhs, that depends upon the organization. After the delivery manager, you will become either director or a vice president or associate vice president. That depends upon the organization. And the salary will be more than 40 lakhs and above. If you recollect right from the beginning, the salary ranges which I mentioned, especially the entry level salaries, for some roles they are equal or just 1-2 lakhs. See, in industry, once you cross your senior consultant, the salary ranges will always link with your previous position. If you are working in a single company for a longer period and you are not given proper hikes, probably you might have a higher role but your salary will be low. In such case, if you try to change your company, your salary will still be low because of your previous salary growth. So these jobs which I am referring till now, the salary range will varies. So you got to see what is the role they are offering, and you got to see what is the projects they are allocating for. You got to see what kind of on-site per diem concepts or policies they have. Based on all these things, you need to take a decision on your salary. Hope this is pretty useful for you. I covered all the salary structures within India. We'll discuss more on this coming days. If you have any doubts, put your comments and I will try to reply to you. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe this particular channel. If you subscribe more only, it will go and reach more people and useful for the people. Thank you.